Hello guys, Master Hachir here with a bonus video. What I wanted to show you real quick is what happens when you heat up the nails and you take it out from the bloomery. You see what happens? Like you get a much wider. You could even turn it back from lumps into bars and ingots, okay? And but this is what we want. What I want you to notice, although my quality nail was 67 at the bottom, they're coming 76 instead of 60. And that makes a big difference for when you make repair kits. That's what you use a lot of nails for. Same thing's gonna happen with the metal bands. You see how we had it at 60 because they came out from the blacksmith shop. But if you do it from the bloomery, I found this in-depth trick like really fascinating when I discovered that I have made nails for like months and months in the wrong way. So I just wanted to share it as a bonus of so you can see what happens with the nails. I'm gonna be doing it now with the actual bands. I need some metal bands and components. So we're gonna test. See how our first 5, and look, these are 76, yeah? It's the same materials that I'm using. You can see that our bands are like 69 and 67, and our bands are coming 76, okay? Same thing's gonna happen for metal components. See how it came out on top right away, 77, see? So that's the trick. It's a good trick to know. Thank you, and see you in the next video.